If you want to show the internet speed on your Samsung Galaxy A27, then first of all we need to go to the Play Store and we need to download an app that allows us to check this information to see the network speed pretty much all the time. So we can go to search over here, then use the search field at the top, and you can type something like internet speed meter. There we go. You can of course use suggestions, and you should be able to find, for example, this app over here, Internet Speed Meter Lite, which I'm gonna install. And I'm going to show you how to set it up to see the internet speed all the time. This is actually very simple and very straightforward. Now over here we're going to open the app. Once it is available, you want to grant the permission to receive notifications from this app. And then here, right next to the time, you should be able to see the information about the internet speed. But of course, you want to make sure that you can see notifications on the status bar over here. And if not, you can always just check out notifications to see the speed here. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.